Okay guys, I promised you a video on a very simple strategy. This is it basically. Right, this might help to focus minds a little differently. I think people have been looking for the wrong thing, and you're going to look at it from a different angle now. This is for CM, this is for anyone who's still struggling. It's the an updated version of the 5-minute MA KISS strategy that, you know, well, very old, and I still use it to this day. Okay, but before we get on, I just want to point out a few of the rules. Basically what you're going to be looking for. Alright, so first of all, this was Friday. This was Friday. This was the NFP day, and we had a daily up signal on the GCAD. This was the NFP candle here. Okay, all these arrows I put on here now were the trades with the GCAD daily. Okay, this one wasn't off the 5-minute orange line. It went a bit further, maybe to the 5-minute BB band, but other than that, these were. Okay, so basically what you're going to be looking for with this strategy is you're not going to be looking for the move like this. Okay, you're going to be looking for the candle prior to it. Okay, you're looking for a reversal candle or a retracement candle. So basically, you know, I'll show you as we go along, but basically you're going to let this candle close. Okay, this was on the 5-minute orange line. This one here, I'll just point this one out, right? This is one of them where it's come down, pierced the 5-minute orange line, and then it's just shut up. So that's why it's not got a reversal, you know, candle before it. Okay, that would have been okay to take if you got in early enough, as soon as it hit the orange line. Okay, but virtually, in fact, all of these trades here up with the GCAD daily had a pullback candle prior to them. So this is what you're going to be looking for. You're going to be looking for this. Okay, and then you're going to go with a golden ticket on the next candle. When the next candle opens, you look for signs of it going in the direction of the golden ticket. As I said, this had a daily signal. Okay, so green momentum, this candle going, you know, going up green. Something on the HA chart. Again, I'm going to show you it all in the video. I just want you to understand that this is what you're going to be looking for. This candle, not this one, this one. Okay, because this is the candle that tells you where to trade from. Alright, and again, look, this one came down, closed, touched the 5-minute orange line, maybe gone through it a bit. Again, it's not exact that, you know, you touch the 5-minute orange line, guys. Sometimes it falls just short, sometimes it pierces it, right? But the important thing is that you let these reversal candles close, right? And then on the very next candle, you start to look for signs of your move, momentum, or something on the HA chart, a BB band flip up, a yellow arrow on the HA chart, you know, and again, obviously it's all about momentum at the end of the day. So as you can see, each one of these had this pullback candle, winner, pullback candle, winner, pullback candle, bigger one this time. This went further. This basically went to the 5-minute BB band, but you can see with the wick there it came down. But once that wick starts going and you'll get momentum, then it was a winner. Again, this one here, this one didn't come back to the 5-minute orange line. Okay, it was just short, and that's why this move up is weaker. You see, it's weaker. It eventually does, it comes up here. Okay, so it's still a winner. Then you had this pullback candle, but by now, right, after this last move here has pierced the 8-hour BB band. So that's it, stop. I'll show you TK where you went wrong shortly, but again, what you're looking for is this pullback candle, and then on the next candle, on the very next candle, you start to look for the move in the direction of the golden ticket. Okay, so basically once that had happened, you had this move down, right? But at the time of this move down, you didn't have anything on the golden ticket. You had no number one, no 1 hour, right? The 1 hour appeared, I think, when this started to go down here. Okay, so you could have left this whole move to go down and then look for the pullback candle. By the time this pullback candle came all the way up here, and it did pierce the 5-minute orange line somewhere about there, right? You had a 1 hour, a 4 hour, and there was a flashing 8 hour arrow down. Okay, so then you know it's turned for sure, right? So that was your entry again, down. Look, you had these 2 pullback candles here, let them close. Pierced the 5-minute orange line again there, and down it went. Okay, another pullback candle here, let it close, look for signs again to go down. Yes, excuse me, this might have gone against you a bit here, but it's still won. You still hold faith with the number 1 setup. Okay, again here, pulls back, 5-minute orange line, goes down. TK, this, my friend, is where you went wrong. Okay, you had a 1 4-hour and a flashing 8-hour arrow down, but the flashing 8-hour arrow had done its job here. This was the 4-hour orange line, it done its job. Expect the bounce. I'm pretty sure you got in somewhere thinking it'll go down more, maybe, you know, and then it went against you here. You got lucky, mate. You got lucky, and this is why you got lucky. You got a double dip into it, you see, because TK, if you didn't get that double dip, then that's what happened. Okay, so you've got to be aware, TK, of you know, these signals. Once they've done the job, that the chances are that that was your last trade. Yeah, because this doesn't happen all the time, this second move like that, and you got lucky. All right, mate. Right, just one other thing to show you. This was the GU from Friday. That's the NFP candle there, you see it? It's a bit of a messy one because the numbers were the same. Right, and you had the move down. Right, there were no arrows on the 1 arrow, on the 1, 4, 8 or daily. There was nothing to give you direction. Okay, and this is what happens. Right, BB band to BB band 5-minute charts, and these arrows I've highlighted here were 5-minute yellows that appeared at the time. Okay, so when you get that kind of setup where there's no 1, 4, 8 daily and the trend's not really moving, expect this, expect it to go up and down with the 5-minute yellows. Okay, and don't try and use the 5-minute orange line. You see this trade here, this might have been a 5-minute orange line. This one was, it had just pierced it, and there was 2 wicks there when that candle closed. Okay, and that was a good trade, right? Because basically these 2 wicks, and that was a reversal candle. This signal set up, you've had the reversal candle there, pullback candle basically, and then trade up. Okay, you were probably off the 5-minute BB band, 5-minute yellow line here as well, if not. Orange line, sorry. If not, you were on the 5-minute BB band. I've only put this in as a, you know, a quick reference to show you basically where the 5-minute yellows were. All right, and that's what happens, guys, when you have no strong setup on the LTs, on the 148 and daily, basically. Okay, so again, I'll just show you that GCAD one again. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You had 8 trades up with a daily, and then you had at least 1, 2, 3, 4 down with the number 1 after the daily had done its job. And you were sure, because you didn't take this trade, you were sure it had turned. And by the time that had turned, the number 1 had been confirmed, because you had a 1, 4 and a flashing 8. All right. The other thing to note with the GCAD is, look at the scale here. Every one of these trades went for more than 10 pips. Okay, every single one of them. That's what the GCAD is. It's big, it's big. And if you took these, as I'm going to show you in the video now, a really good time, then they, apart from maybe this one here, they never went against you. Okay, all right. Okay, GU, a good, I'll explain a good barometer for judging how many pips to go in a moment. Okay, so right, let's crack on then. Very simple, guys. You know what we're looking for now. Once you've got your direction, you know what you're looking for. And as I've said before, you do not have to dive in on the very first trade. You can let the market make your mind up for you. Okay, let it start to move and then look for these pullback candles. Okay, right. Okay, I'll start with number 50. Here we do. Right, GUG card. Right, basically. Right, well, let's have a look then. Right, GU first of all. Right, this is down. This is down. I know you've got a blue here, guys. Right, so you might, you know, get something next to this at, you know, well, within a few minutes actually, because there's another candle going to come. But at the moment, that is down. Okay, you've already had this big move here. All right, GCAD. Look at this. We've got a daily. We've got a daily. Yes, you'll say it's just bounced off here, but that's irrelevant, right? When you're using this system, you are using the strongest setup possible, and a daily signal pretty much is the strongest. Okay, so we're looking for downs. So effectively, on the GCAD, we're going to let, you see this here, this would be considered a pullback candle, right? So on this candle here now, which has just started, we're looking for signs that it's going to go down. Okay, momentum is green at the moment, so it's not. We're on the top BB band on the HA. If we get a yellow, a signal up here, down, or if we get a momentum flip down, we're right on the 5-minute orange line, so that would be a good trade. Okay, it actually went there while I was talking about it. We didn't get momentum, but okay, fair enough. You've missed that. Don't just dive in blind now, you know, because it's turned up late. You know, just wait until it goes back up again, right? And then look for the signs again. That was late. The arrow was late and momentum was late. The candle's already moving. All right, but you are in number 4 territory here, and that candle there, that green candle, is what you're looking for, because once that's closed, you are looking for the move down. I used to just take that anyway. You know, I would have taken that anyway in the old days. I'd have just said, right, get in, it's on the 5-minute orange line, bang, get in. Okay, same up here on the GU. I'm pretty sure with where we are outside here, I know it's still a strong downtrend, but I think with that 1 hour blue we might get something up there for a period of time. So at the moment, we'll just give it a few minutes. Okay, fast forward. Right, and you see, yeah, it's gone up because of that blue there. We'll wait a moment. Look, this is coming back up again, so again we're waiting for this candle effectively to close. Look, we've got 5 seconds, and then we're going to look and see, you know, try and get as near to this orange line as possible, or maybe even through it, and then we're going to be looking for, you know, reasons to take it down. Okay, not up. GU there, Luke, is paced. This, we need reason again, something, some sign to tell us to take it down. There's nothing on the GCAD yet, nothing on the GU. So I'm going to fast forward through these guys. I was planning to do it on, you know, with the speed controller, but it's very hard to try and talk about it and then talk about an event that's actually happened. And there you go, you see the GU. It got its 1 hour, it's got a 4 hour, right? So now, at the moment, we can't take this down. We've got to wait until this signal here has done its job. So when it hits the 1 hour orange line, or gets very near to it, you can see there, that one didn't actually touch, but it gets very near to it. If you start getting signs like, you know, already something there, that this is going to go down. If the BB band flips down here on the 5 minutes, then the chances are it's going to go down. Okay? So again, GCAD, this was the reversal candle now, so we're looking for signs here to take this down. We've got something here. Alright, we've got something here. Yes, this time we're off the 15-minute orange line, but we've got a sign here. So, momentum, and we'll take this. Okay? Same with the GU here, we've got something here. As the number 1 done its job? Quite possibly, you know, sometimes they just come down a little bit and then shoot back up again. But what you've got to look at is what you get. You know, like if you've got a yellow here and then you get momentum and this BB band flips down, it puts your price right on the BB band. Okay? So what we're looking for is momentum change. Right, I wish I hadn't fast forward there, but I'll just pull that back again. Look, right, now you're getting signs here. Okay, that's kicking in. I would be in on that basically now. You've just seen what happened anyway. I fast forward too much, but you obviously got momentum. Okay. Come on, we want to see this GU as well. This is a number 4, guys. This is all you have to do. You have to look at where you are and see your setup. I'll show you lots of examples of these today, guys, and how it works. Yeah, GU looks as though it might be going down now. Need momentum. Look, you've got plenty of momentum on the GCAD. Number 4. So, I mean, these, I've already explained that sometimes on the GCAD you go, you know, way over 10 pips. Okay, a good way of a good barometer to use would be looking at where your 2 BB bands are on the HH chart, like 72 to 84. There's 12 pips there, so it's quite possible you'll get a 10 pip move out of that. Okay, and it will expand as you know the session moves on with this daily. Okay, GU looks looking promising. You've got momentum. Let's get in the GU. Fast forward. Okay, so this one's gone against you a bit. Not a lot. Not a lot. Okay, you're still really getting in here. You could have said, well, okay, I'm not sure if this has done its job yet. So you could have actually sat that one out. All right, the GCAD was the perfect one because it was a number 4. Okay, and you got the HA yellow plus. You got momentum. Okay. Again, these are 2 little candles here. I am not worried about this. This will go down. This will go down. Very rare that now will do something like that. And I'm pretty sure this BB band will drop to here somewhere, which will put us right on the BB band. Okay. So let's fast forward. Yeah, you see it here now. So it did just have another little bit up and then starting to come down. Sometimes they take a while to get moving, guys. I mean, the way the Pipster's doing it at the moment, he's probably looked at this, taken it down for 5 pips here, and then be ready to take it down again. You know, so it's entirely up to you the amount of pips. If you're struggling, then just you're going to be looking at about 10 trades per day. Okay, even on one pair. All right, so if you just don't want to do 5 pips for now, do that. Get 50 pips a day under your belt every day. Okay, and then you know experiment with your stop loss. I mean, you won't need a big stop loss because, as I said here, this one hasn't gone against you yet. The GU went a couple of pips against you at the very most, and it's starting to turn your way now. Excuse me. Okay, should we fast forward? Yeah, you see, look, coming down the GU, you've got a signal now. It's late, but it won't matter. You go in early, doesn't matter. You're winning. GCAD, just one other thing to point out, guys. I'll pause the video there while I can. When you've got the GU going one way, okay, you can see here it's going up, and the UCAD going down the opposite way, right? Look what it does, right, to the GCAD. Look at this. Orange line virtually level with the yellow line. That's what it does to the GCAD. When these are going in the same direction, this flies in the same direction. Absolutely flies. Okay. Okay, so let's fast forward a bit. Yeah, you see that was a 5 pip winner there. Alright, judging on this signal have done its job, but I mean you could still be in here. This is another reversal candle. Right, just let me pause again. You've got another one here, look, that GCAD one. Okay, but this is another not reversal candle, I'm going to start calling them pullback candles, because this is what you're looking for. Okay, and then on the next candle, right, you're looking for the signs to take it back down again. Okay, so you can see we've got a few minutes to wait until the next candle. So let's see if I can get as near as I can to it. Right, well, you know, this one's just continued off the first move anyway. This is one of them that, like, you know, it's paced, it's gone up, and then you got momentum and it's gone down. So don't be afraid of taking this. You know, the setup, once it had made its mind up and it was going down, right, was good. You got momentum, obviously, to take it down like that. So don't be afraid to just get in, and don't think I have to wait now for, you know, another candle. The momentum, you must have been getting plenty of momentum to take this through. Alright, GCAD, look, flat, right, but this is that pullback candle. Again, if this, you know, big red here, then just get in. If not, wait for this candle. It's got 20 seconds left. Okay, so we're going to wait and see. That yellow that disappeared that was there as well, that's a good sign. That's another thing to watch for, guys. Okay, right, so we've got another candle here now. We're looking for the signs. Alright, you've got a reversal candle going up there. Again, you know, you might have to wait for this, but again, if you start getting big momentum, then don't hang about, just get in. Okay, what I would advise with your stop losses, guys, for your GU and the UCAD is 6 pips, but if you're going to do the GCAD, you've got to take into account there's a 3 pip spread and it's a bigger mover, so you might have to do a 10 pip. But in all honesty, if you get these right, then they're not going to go against you. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. I'll have to fast forward again. Right, again, look, it's just, look at all the yellows, because one's going one way and this one's going the other way, but look at all the yellows, you know, and look at the lack of them on the GU and the UCAD. Oh, GU, there, I see it touched the 5-minute orange line, started to go, momentum. Right, GCAD, a flash here, a signal, I'm in, but I'd probably be in there anyway, because of the fact it's a number 4 and this looks as though it's going, plus the GU's dragging it at the moment. Okay, so you could have got in, and if it goes a few pips against you, don't worry about it. Right, let's fast forward. There you go, the GU winner again. GCAD, look, there you go, you got a signal as well. It's just a matter of watching for the signs, guys. You've got your direction, number 4, you're only taking downs. Do not get involved in taking up on the GCAD. It's a number 4. Just ignore the ups, ignore them. They are the candles that tell you where to trade from, like that one, the reversal, the pullback candle there. Okay, this one was a pullback candle here, and look what's happening now. Okay, GU, you had those 2 little candles there, and then nice move down. Okay, because that number 1 that was there and there had done its job. Alright, and the trend number 2 kicked in again. Okay, right, so let's fast forward again. Yep, your GU moved nicely. You see that one, it went up there, and then we just went down. Okay, GCAD, that was your pullback candle there, going down. And fast forward, and there you go. Look at the GCAD there now. That was your pullback. You waited for that to tell you where to trade from. Bang. Right, your GU, you know, as I explained about that, you're in there and you're in there as well. So, you know, you've got plenty of trades here. You had that one on the GCAD, that one on the GCAD, that one on the GCAD. Okay, and all you're looking for is that pullback candle. And look at this. This was bloody nice move. You know, this is why I say sometimes you might want to open up your TP and do basically what John Wick does. And I know he uses the HA charts as well. Just try doing it off the 5-minute chart. You know, like that. There's 3 entries there and it's still going down with the daily. Okay. Again, you would have been looking for, you know, that green or whatever it is, doji there, and that's what it did there. It went to here. Pay attention to the BB band flip downs because they put you right on the BB band. Okay. Right, here we go. We've got a candle now. This is what we were waiting for here. GU might be the same. We want it to come as close as possible, or maybe even through that candle there. HA BB band flip down here. Nice, would be a good place to take it down from. Yeah, you see, we're looking for signs. We're on here. Look at the GU, guys. Look at the GU BB band. Look there. Right, this is your reversal candle. Got a couple of minutes to wait till this finishes, but if you get something, like I say, if you get you know, a big signal or a big momentum, then don't hang about, just get in. Okay, same here, we're looking for something here, or, you know, momentum. That's all it's about, guys. It's about finding a signal here, a signal, or, you know, a touch here, and, you know, or maybe momentum. Just to point out as well, before this signal appeared, you had number 2s going through on the EG, and look here again, came down, BB band flipped up. That would have been the time where you were looking to take it up again, and look at that, lovely move. But these candles tell you you're not to trade them down, you're to trade it up using that candle. Okay. Right, come on. Yeah, don't be fooled by that. There. Right. A HA candle up against a daily trend down. I know you can say, oh, you've got a number 1 in here. Oh my God, that would be foolish to take that against that. Okay, you use this where to trade from. It might go through here now a bit, but all you're doing is you're waiting for the candle to close, and then you look at the next candle for the signs to take it down again. And just out of interest, we did have this move down here on the UCAD. Right, it did its job. You got a 5-minute there, it went up, it came back. Look, that candle closed. There, can you see it? Right on the 5-minute orange line. This started to green. Look, go green. Look what you got. I'm not sure if this one was here. That one probably would have been. But look what you got. You know, and you obviously got momentum, and that again, it's a great example of this strategy. GU, getting momentum. Look where you are. Look where you are. And a signal now as well. Getting momentum, right on the BB bands, not far off the 5-minute orange line. You could take this and not worry too much if it, you know, it doesn't win straight away. It might take a bit more to go down this one. Okay, but again, look, you had your pullback candle, and then all you were looking for was signs on the next candle to take it down. You were right on the BB band there, you got a signal, and you got momentum. And perfect trade down with the number 4. There's a daily there now, so number 4. It may have started as a number 1, but it's now a number 4. Rocky signal keeps flashing on as well there. GCAD, beautiful again. Look, right on the BB band there. That was your sign. You got momentum. After the pullback candle, you were looking for it on this candle, and there she goes. Okay, so let's fast forward. Yes, you got another one here. You would have got a 5-pip move in there, but you've got another one here. Now, don't worry. If you're still in, you know, and this, you know, goes against you a bit here. Don't panic, you've still got this, you know, in your favour. But basically this is why I say you might want to start off with 5 pips, so you'd have got that win under your belt, and then after this candle now you'd be looking for another one. Alright, this is where I wouldn't be mithered about having to move my stop loss, where some people would panic. I know Lakshmi would panic, you know. And there you go, look at that GU, guys. From that's all come from, you know, just reading and waiting that candle close, for that candle to close, and then looking for the signs on the next candle. Alright, look, GCAD again, now probably off there. Momentum as well, yeah. Should fast forward. Yeah, at least another 5 pip win on the GCAD. And the thing is, like I say with the John Wick here, for those of you that are trying to do the John Wick, he probably has a different, I'll just pause it there because there's something else I want to mention about that in a minute. He probably has a different method of entering using the HA charts, but for me, this is what I've been doing towards the back end of last week, 3 days last week, and I was making mega pips. Right, he's entering here, entering there, entering there, entering there, and entering there with that, and keeping them open TP. And that's how I made like 960 pips one day last week. It's unbelievable just doing that. Okay, the other thing I want to mention just while it's up there, again, GU's going down, UCAD's going up. Look at all the yellows on the GCAD. It just doesn't know what to do. Okay, even though it is going down with the GU, it just doesn't know what to do. So as I said, when those two are going in the same direction, this absolutely flies. Excuse me, again, I'm going to pull back candle here. So when this candle's closed, another 4 minutes, we'll be looking for signs to take it down again. This should have dropped down as well, so we might be on the BB band there. There you go. Fast forwarded a bit too much, but look, you obviously got it. You got a yellow, and look at that. Yeah. Okay, that's all you do. Let this pullback candle close and look for the signs there. It would have been a yellow, either that one or that one. You got a pink next to it, and then bam, down. Okay, and that, I think that's 58. So that's 8 pips. 8 pips there. You know, straight away just off that. So it's a definite 5 pip win. GU is the same. Look, went up, bam. Didn't it, I mean, the BB band did flip down there. There's no sign here, but you've obviously got momentum because, you know, it's the candle's red. Okay, fast forward a bit. Yeah, looks like we might be going up. There might even be another entry here on the GU. Look, you're right on the BB band here again now. GCAD's got a signal up here. That looks like it shot down there. Oh, it did, didn't it? Yeah. So again, you know, momentum. Maybe something here on the GU, and back down again. Now you have to be sensible about the time, guys. Right? I know sometimes it doesn't work, but you know, we're not far off happy hour. So I'd be expecting something different at happy hour. But again, the golden ticket will tell me. And again, it's alright saying this is a number 1, but it's a small red on a 1 hour against a daily. You know, you can't go with that unless you've got it. Put it this way, right? If that 1 hour red was there, and I've got red yellow on the 30, red yellow on the 15 next to those blues, no problem. You know, no problem. I'd say it's going to go up for a while. Okay, then I'd probably trade that up. But I wouldn't when it's just that, and the only thing that you've got is a couple of blues. Alright. Yeah, there you go again. See, look. You must be getting momentum. It's going down. These are the little signs to watch for, guys. Look, there, momentum. Another one. GCAD, you're getting plenty of momentum. There, down with a yellow. Boof, look at that. Boom, look at that. Lovely, gorgeous. It's gorgeous, guys. Again, look at the GU. It's gorgeous. The signal was late, but you know, you were getting momentum, so get in. Again, the focal point of this strategy is these green candles you see here, right? Because they tell you where you're going to trade from, because that's what you're looking for. You see that, right? When that candle's closed, you start looking for reasons to take it in the direction of the golden ticket, which in the case of the GU is a number 4. In the case of the GCAD is a number 4. Okay, if you were doing the UCAD, then you would be looking at number 2s, because there's nothing there. There was a 1 hour down, but it had done its job. And if you look at the number 2s there was your pullback candle, and then look at that, lovely, gorgeous, gorgeous move, gorgeous move. Okay. Again, with the EG, that was the same. I'm not sure when that daily appeared, but if you look, pullback candles here, and then up, pullback candles. Yes, this one didn't pan out at first, it went a few against you, right? That's probably because you weren't right on the 5-minute orange line, but again, it didn't go enough against you for you to worry about. Okay, and then bam, up, another pullback candle there, and then bam, up. Okay, I'm pretty sure, right, 4 hour blue, 1 hour blues, again 4 hour blue on its own, can you trust it? No. If these were supers instead of blues, to go with that 4 hour blue, then yes, because you're up against a daily. You've got to think of the strength of the setup, guys. Alright, what you're dealing with. Alright. And look, you know, this time the pullback was there, and look, bang, again, there's your pullback candle on the 5-minute orange line. Did you get anything? Well, it was a signal. I don't know when it turned up, but you obviously got momentum. Alright, speed up, and again, look, it's a gorgeous move down again, you know. And every time, if you just keep clocking the fact that the BB bands are flipping down, and when you're on it, that is the perfect place, you know, for those entries. Again, look at the GCAP there, gorgeous, gorgeous move again. Again, another one here, look, pullback candle. Alright, you weren't on the 5-minute orange line, but look where you were. The HA, when it beat, you know, flipped down, you're right on there, you got a signal, got momentum, down. Okay, the GU there, flipped down, not far off being on it, down again. As to, you know, the time, I would probably be a little wary of continuing to take these down now. Alright. And I was right to be wary. Look, up, number 1 finally kicked in. Okay, so that was number 50. I've got a few to get through, guys, so I need to really push on a bit. So 47, 47, okay, let's have a look. We'll be looking at, I'll try and stick to the same 2 pairs, the GU and the GCAD. Okay, guys, but I will point them out on other pairs as well. Right, first of all, GU. Right, I'll pause it there. Right, some of you will remember this. BB band, 8-hour arrow. Not far off BB band, but you've gone through the daily orange line there. So the possibility is that this might you know, get some help, right? And if it gets some help, then the G is going to go down, and we'll be looking for something on 1 hour, and then eventually something on 4 hour. As far as the GCAD's concerned, you should only be taking ups, because you've got a daily red yellow. Okay, and that's a super signal. Alright, so you're going to ignore the downs. No matter how good they look, you ignore them and you wait for the ups. Okay, right, so let's pass on and see. Right, GU flashing 1 hour. Oops, sorry. GU flashing 1 hour. Okay, so we're going to let the market make our mind up what it's going to do here. Right, we're still not sure, so we're going to let the first move happen. Okay, then we're going to look for the pullback candle. Comprende? GCAD, as I've already stated, all we're going to do is take up, because the UCAD's going down. I'm not sure what's going to happen with the UCAD actually. It looks very messy with all these yellows. So anyway, we'll play it by ear. Here we go. So we're letting the GU number 1, which is kicking in now, and the other thing to look here, guys, look at the formation, or double top. Okay, double top, look, double top, and the second part of this double top usually powerful. Okay, so again, we're only looking for ups on the GCAD, and again, look at the flat line, because it doesn't know what to do at the moment. But as I say, we've got a number 4 here, so we're only going to take them up. GU, we're going to let it make its mind up, let it start to come down, and then we are going to look for the pullback candle, and then where to and how to trade it. Right, yeah, it's made its mind up. So we're not in this, guys. We are not in this move. Believe you me, we are not. We just left this move, okay, because we want to know for sure if it's going down. Now look at the setup: 1, 4, 8. Okay, so we'll let it pull back before we take any trades. And this is I mean, personally, I knew this was coming, and I would have been in that. All right, but for any of you that, and I noticed there's still some people in the room who are having problems with choosing direction. Basically, what you're doing is you're taking your first move and you're losing, and then you're sussing it out. So this is basically, you know, probably the easiest way for you to you know, to find out direction, is to let the first move happen, and then again check this. And at the moment, this is a strong number 1, and with this 8 hour here, the chances are what's going to happen, I'm going to get to the 1 hour orange line, probable bounce, and then the 8 hour will take the 4 hour candle to the 4 hour orange line. Okay, so that number 1 won't be done until that 8 hours done its job. Right, here we go. Right, first and foremost, this one we will take, because we said we're taking up with the number 4 on the GCAD. So that trade we will take. Okay, the moment we get momentum in there, you should be in. Okay, GU, no chance, 0 chance of me taking that, because this is a number 1 down to the 4 hour orange line. So this could go up a bit, and then boom. Right, and that's what I'm looking for now. We're looking for this candle to close, and then we're looking for signs of the move down. Okay, and it went down a bit, but no, we wanted it to close. Come on, move along, gotta go, move on. There you go, look at your GCAD, guys, because you went with the number 4. Right, look at it, that's already 1. Right, that's, you know, that's 1. Whatever, whether you went for 5 pips, 10 pips, or open TP, that's a lovely trade. GU, you see, it's not going up anymore. The BB band's flipped right down here, and number 1 is in play. We're looking for these candles to close and to give us a sign that it's going to go down. Okay, again, obviously, if you get big momentum, then don't hang about, you know, for this candle to close. You just get in. See, that might have been, I don't know if we get any momentum. It's the only thing with skipping through these video. Yeah, look, BB band's flipping down. Crazy, you're looking for the signs there just to take it down. Oh, God. GCAD. You could have taken that again there. You know, you could still be in that trade, to be honest with you. GU, look, candle's gone here. It might come back up again, but you know, if you've got in there, no problem, because you've had your pullback candle and it started to show signs that it's going down. Okay.
As they said in the old Kez book.
I'm doing a video, mate. I'll have to come down and see you, know, innit? I thought she'd have told you, like, you know what I mean? Alright. Sorry about that. Just interrupted brother-in-law. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, anyway, so if you'd have taken this GU down, you'd have been fine. There you go, look at that GCAD, guys, because you went with the number 4, no problemo. Even if you took it again off the orange line there, because you were going with the number 4. Right, this is going to probably come down now, you know, quite high, but still, we're not interested in the down. We're taking it up. Again, GU's taking its time to get going. You've not really had any signs. I'm not sure if you had momentum, but again, it's going down. It's just dealing with this 1 hour orange line. You know where it's going. That signal there says that orange line. So taking any move up, crazy. You're looking for the move up here to take it down. Okay? But anyway, it's obviously already, well, there you go. There you go. You got a sign, you got a signal and momentum down, and look, bang. Okay, so again, these little pullback candles are what tell you to look for on the next candle down. Okay, and if you're going to be looking for these now, you're not going to be looking to take these up. You're going to be looking for these to take it down, which means you're going to change your mentality from trying to take something up on a second move to taking it down with the trend, which is basically what you need to do. With the, you know, the golden ticket. Okay, and again, you know, if you got in there, 1. If you got in here, 1. Another example there, look at this one. That was your reversal, your pullback candle, and you know, a nice win. What did you get? Signal here, up she goes. Alright, so let's just point it out in the ring as well. I'm just going to show you this again. Look, we've got this now. It's alright, you can say it's a green, but basically, guys, this is your 1 hour bounce, right? But you still got this set up here that's taking price to here. Should you be taking that? Hell no. Way too dangerous. I wouldn't take it. You might, and there are some people in the room that have seen that green and gone 5 pips easy. Yeah, but me, no. My mind is down until we hit that 4 hour orange line because of that 8 hour signal. Alright. So, just have a quick look at the others. Yep, okay. So, I want this candle to close. We're right on the BB band again here. Right, we're looking for down. We've got a few minutes yet, so and there you go. You're starting to get the signs of it. I mean, you could, some people, and probably myself in the past, are just going on that, basically. Let's fast forward. Yeah, and look at it. Beautiful. You did eventually get a signal there, and bam. Look at it. Gorgeous move down. Alright, so fast forward, see if we get to the next one. Again, you've got another candle here now. Coming up, we've still not touched this orange line here, so we're still down. So what we're looking for is this pull back candle, and then we're going to take it down again. There we go, pull back candle, starting to get signs here. Momentum might go a little bit more up, but even if you go in now, it's not going to trip your stop loss, basically, I don't think, anyway. Oh god, just turn my phone off, guys. I'm getting mithered. Okay, just stop it there, by the way. Look what we've got here. Right, what did we say? GCAD ups. That GCAD up there. I know it was before the session opened, but look, it won. GCAD up here. Lovely move that. 15. I can't see what that is. 15. 20 odd pipper there. Okay, and we've got another one coming here. We'll take that as well with this signal. I know a lot of people will be looking at that, guys, but look what it's done. It's done its job. It's hit the 30-minute orange line. That is going to kick in again. Okay, so yeah, I'm in that. Excuse me. Yep, signs on the GU to take it down. I'm in. Still green at the minute, so that momentum flips and I'm in. Crikey. Come on, give us some momentum. Okay, so we'll fast forward again. It's not me out my stride. Oh, look what happened. Look. 5 minutes. That was the candle there that told you what to watch for on this candle. Look, like a minute into it, and look what it did. Boom. Okay. The GCAD, well, because the GU went down, that's struggling. But to be honest with you, when that yellow appeared, you were here. So you're still in the green. That's 5 pips defo. So you're still in the green anyway. But you've got to go with this. You can't think, oh, this is changing, I'm going to go down. You've got to go with the biggest signal you've got. Alright, so that's it. That's it. That will win. Definitely. It's won for 5 pips, but it'll win for more than that. Again, look at the GU. This is the candle we're looking for. We're looking for this to come up as far as, look, BB bands flip down again here now. So if this comes up to here, chances are it's going to drop again. Why? Because that 8-hour signal taking price to that 4-hour orange line, and it is nowhere near it yet. Alright, guys. So let's just see if we can get up a bit more on this. It's a bit far off it really, but momentum there. Again, even if you're getting one of these early guys and it goes against you, highly unlikely it's going to, hit your stop loss if you've got a sensible stop loss, that is. And there you go on his GCAD. Look at it, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful, and that's just going with the daily super. Each of those trades there have won, staying away from the downs, because the super, that at any one time could really boof, and if you're in a trade like this one here and you got to here and then all of a sudden it went boom, you got it. But if you stick to going with the strength, which is a daily super, then you can't go wrong. Okay, right, so here we go. GU's coming back to it. It's all about patience, this game, guys. You just got to wait and then look for the signs when price gets to the BB bands or the 5-minute orange line. Should we just... No, we've got 30 seconds to wait. We'll see what happens on that. You candle, look, you see you're getting right near to it now. Right, so just for the rooms, so people know what we're talking about, I am going to call the candle prior to the move the pullback candle. So if you have any questions on it, please, you shouldn't really have any questions on it. It's really basic, this, but if you do, try and mention, oh, is this getting ready? Then try and mention it by name, the pullback candle. okay, because then I'll have an idea of what you're talking about. Alright, but you shouldn't really have any questions, guys. It's pretty basic. Once you've got your direction, all you're looking for is that pullback candle to close, and then you're looking at the next candle, you know, for signs of entry. HA BB band flip down, HA BB band arrow, momentum. They're the signs. Okay, like now I'm looking for the GU down again off here, because I know that the 8 hour arrow is going to take price to the 4 hour orange line. So I'm looking now, because of this pullback candle, excuse me, for the next candle, which is coming in seconds, I think, is it? Oh, we're already into it. Oh, we're already into it, aren't we? Right, so all I'm looking for now is down. So either on this candle or the next one. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward so I can get to the end of that. And there you go, look, you see. You got momentum, you got something, even that arrow, you know, you got momentum, and look at it, bang. You understand now? So that's it. He waited for this candle, and on this particular candle that started at past, we were looking for signs. Obviously, big momentum like that helps. Yeah, you know, that's basically all it is. You know, and again, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous move. Look at it. All right, look at that G-cap. It went all the way up to here, guys. After you had another, what do you call it, pullback candle there, and then look what happened. It shot up here. All right, again, look off the BB band flip up there. Woof. Okay, so with a G-card, we're good taking the up trades. We had 3 or 4 nice ones, maybe 5. On the GU, we let it make its mind up on direction. Then we took this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here. So there's at least 4 there, 5 there for 10 pips, 4 there, maybe 5 there for over 10 pips. Okay, and you know, I can't recall any of them going against you there. Okay, and that's without looking at the UCAD as well, which was nice number ones. And again, look there, pullback candle, winner, pullback candle, maybe went against you a few pips if it hasn't won by there, but again, you can't, you know, get out, because it's like the setup is saying up. Right, so pullback candle there, winner, pullback candle there, winner. And again, all you're looking for is things like that. Look, BB band, look, right on BB band, whoosh, winner. Okay. Now I think we did his job there. Okay, so I think we did his job there. You might get one more import. It would be risky. It would be risky. Yeah, you see, because you touched the 4 hour orange line. And look at the GCAD just going with the daily. Look at that again. Look, guys, you know, it really is. I know I keep saying it's easy when you know how and that, but once you understand this little setup and the fact that you're waiting for a candle to close, I think chat's going to be quite quiet next week, you know, because I think you're all going to be avidly watching this now. And I cannot remember what number that was, guys. Anyway, I'll do one more then. Let's have a look at number 43. Just do one more, just to show you yet again. Right, G card. Whoa. Right, the first thing to say is that the GU, you look where you are. Well, you can see what's been happening, can't you? There's your pullback candle, and then up, pullback candle, then up, and that last one, look what happened. Look, rocky. Okay, GCAD, we've got a daily. We're right on the 8 hour here, right on it, guys, and there's a 4 hour next to a 4-hour blue, and also look at this, down, up. Chances are this is going to go down. The chances for me is this is going to go down, because I know we've got a daily, but this formation here of a double top, right, with those signals there and that price being on that 8-hour orange line. GU again, we'll let it get going. And then we'll, you know, analyze from there. GU looks pretty similar. Down, up, could form a double top, but there's nothing here, you know, to say it's going down yet. So we'll let that make its mind up. Okay, but anyway, the GCAD, we're going to let that make its mind up, and we'll take it from there. Okay. Right, daily still working there. The pullback candle, and it worked. Pullback candle here, worked. GU, you had a pullback candle there, and it went up. And it's a number 2 with the GU at the moment. Yeah, you perhaps shouldn't have taken the GCAD. Yeah, well, you could have, because you've got a daily. I mean, this is where, you know, you've got to make your mind up and say, well, hang on a minute, I know I've got a 4-hour with a 4-hour blue next to it against a daily. Do I trade that pair? This is where you have to make your mind up, you know, and say, well, hang on, I'll leave it until it's made its mind up. Let the chart, let the currency pair make your mind up for you, you know, and then you're not going to start off with a loss, like I know a few of you do. Okay. Right, so again, yeah, you see, right, I'm just going to pause it there. See, look, it did look like double top, and that your daily's disappeared as well now, but look, you were right on the 8-hour orange line. So yeah, you should, this is what I would have expected, right? So let's say I didn't enter this. GU looks a bit similar as well. Look, double top, nothing to take this down, the GU at the moment, so it's not a golden ticket trade at the moment. So, you know, I wouldn't be looking at taking the GU at the moment. So we're gonna look, we know what the GCAD's doing now. Right. Hold the horses. Again, there's still nothing on the GU. If you know, I was going to take this GU, if I advised you to take this GU now, if it had a 1-hour signal down, you know, or a 30-minute or a 15-minute, then this would be the pullback candle. You see it? Okay. There's a few minutes left, but again, remember what I said, guys. You know, if momentum really kicks in, then don't hang about and wait for the next candle. Just take it. Take it. Okay. Let's fast forward. And that's, you know, that happened. Look, momentum obviously kicked in and it went down. Right. So, where are we? Right, so we'd be looking here now. We're right on the 1-hour orange line on the GU. We've got an 8-hour, but I would want more. You know, look at the GCAD. Look how much stronger the GCAD is, guys. 4 and a mem on there. You know, it's gone. It's gone now. You know, you'd have had to, you know, when it come back to the orange line there, get him. So sure here. Yeah, you see, if anything, that would have been your entry. Then you'd have had to. This is one of them that, you know, where you don't get the pullback candle, but you would have got massive momentum for that to shoot down like that, guys. And now you have got the sell on the GU. So if you waited for that sell, I mean, the actual formation there, plus the fact, you know, there wasn't anything else, but you could have ignored the GU there, whereas the GCAD, you should not have ignored that. And once that really got going, you had a mega setup on that. Right, let's get to a point here. So you've got these candles going back here, yeah? Probably because you're bouncing off here, you're bouncing off here, you're bouncing off here. So you've got these candles going back up here. There might be one more trade here actually, and then I think it might turn round. So you'd be looking for something again on the HA chart, momentum. Yeah, you see, we got something. It's not the best, but that's because of where we are here now. You know. Yeah, another thingy candle there. Yeah, you've got one there as well. Again, I'd want something up here. It's still early, so you've got to. This is your bounce, right? Just let me pause that a minute. Look, if you look at the GU now, guys, this is bouncing off the 1 hour orange line, right? But you plenty of time yet till happy hour. So I'm pretty sure what'll happen is this will bounce and then maybe go down some more, because it's probably not done. You might want to come down here to this BB band on the daily. Generally you get a little bounce like that, and that's what they do. So you're still looking for downs after this bounce. Okay. Yeah. Same with the GCAD. The thing with the GCAD is, guys, you're on BB bands all over the show there. So I would expect a bounce, a proper bounce at some time. I wouldn't take the bounce, by the way, not until it had gone up and then changed. Right, GU. So we're right on the 5 minute orange line. This is your reversal candle, sorry, your pullback candle. We're looking for something here, and we want a momentum flip, and we'll take this down again. Okay, just to point out the EG as well, by the way, you had a number 1 there, guys, and look what happened. You pull back candle here to the 5 minute orange line, and then bam. And if that's the move there, then you're on the BB band on the HA chart. Yeah, and another thing to point out, look at the UCAD, guys, it's not always on the 5 minute orange line. Sometimes you go through, but if you just have a look and see where you are on the 15 minute, and you would have been on the 15 minute orange line there, and that one went. And again, look, BB band flip down, but you're right on the BB band. Alright, GU, we know what we're looking for here, guys, something down. Right, so we're going to have to fast forward because this video is mega long. And there you go, look, you got momentum, and that was enough. Bang. Yeah, you didn't actually get to it there, but again, there was an opportunity in the GCAD. There, you see, there on the GU, beautiful. Let's fast forward again. Got a signal here, right? Just gone through, but you've got a signal here, so if you get momentum, right, this could be okay. You're on the 5 minute here, you're pretty much on the BB band here, so you get a signal or momentum. Well, it's green at the moment, right? You'll be okay to take it down because you've had your bounce now. Look, it's bounced. The chances are now it's going to go whoosh, back down. Okay, same with the GCAD, look, bounce, whoosh, down. Alright, so that's what we're looking for. Sometimes they take a while, but your main move was there, and then this one for another, whatever, 5 pips, 10 pips, what have you. Boom, there you go, look, your signal was the first to appear, obviously got momentum, bang, down. GU's a little sluggish, but again, it's still there. If this turns red, it's going to go down. Fast forward. Yeah, just pushing up and pushing up. Yeah, we might even get a bigger pullback here. I wouldn't be put off with green momentum here. You see, I've seen this so many times where it just bounces like that and then drop through, because you're still in the realm of a number one golden ticket setup. So, you know, I wouldn't have been put off by going in there or there. I'd have taken both of them. GCAD definitely, when that appeared and we got some momentum. And there you go, down to 8-1. GCAD, nice. Again, on your reversal. This is when you know it's slowed down, guys, when you get a lot of yellows like this on HA. But again, you know, you've had that there. If you get a signal up here and red momentum, then it'll be in again. Pullback candle here. Gets to here. We're going to start looking for something here on the HA chart, or momentum, or both. Right, so you're right on it now. BB band. Same with the GU. Boom. GU, look at that. Come down here. GCAD, look, the Rocky. Another winner. Okay, so pullback candle went to it and then bam. Even better. Look at it. GU. GCAD still. Right, so you know, this basically is a very easy thing to do, right, guys? Just watch this video a few times until you understand what I'm trying to, you know, get across to you. I mean, you're only looking for things like this. Once you've got your direction, right, you're only looking for the pullback there, because that pullback candle gives you the perfect price to get into. All right, and then you're just looking for the signs to take it up, and generally BB band flip ups here, look, arrows here, look, same here, right, same here, look, and that's all you're looking for, guys. And as I've already shown you on, you know, on this video, you know, if you get it right, these trades don't go against you. You know, look, GU there, bang, it went back up here again, and then bang, down again. Look, the GCAD there, there's your pullback candle. You were in here. It might have gone a little bit against you there, but then bang, down again. You know, and GCAD, look, again, somebody's pointing this out here, but it's every time. And now you've no excuse now, because you know what to look for. Right, all you need now is to focus on it. Okay. When do you stop taking it? Yes, well, I think you all know about 4-hour blues. Look, GU now. Not on their own, but just use your common sense. Like, you know, you're not far off the BB band there. This has appeared because you're on the BB band here. You're outside the BB band here. Chances are, you know, the down move's over now. You understand? So, yeah, I mean, I don't think I can make it, you know, any easier for it. Actually went again there, by the way, look. You know, hit the 5-minute horizontal and went down again. Same here, look, you've got a pullback candle and then bam. Okay, and I don't really think it could be made any easier for you there, guys, seriously. And again, you know what you're looking for. You're looking for this pullback, and then on the next candle you're looking for that pullback, and then the next candle you're looking for signs that it's going. Pullback, you're looking for signs on the next candle it's going. Let it pull back, then look for the signs it's going. You know, it's not hard, and it works both ways. Look, let it pull back, look for the signs it's going. Let it pull back, look for the signs it's going. Okay, and you know, I think you can all do this, guys. It's just a matter of you know, stop changing. Stop changing. That's the one thing you've got to do, because a lot of you are up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. But as I've shown you today, you've got your directions, and you've just stuck to that. With the GCAD, you had a daily. Just stick to it. Just take the trades up. Ignore all the downs. Let it come down as far as it'll go. Look for the signs to take it up. You know, number ones. This started off, if you remember, we weren't sure what it was, and look at that double top. Right, you've got to watch for these things, and look every time it hit the 5 minute orange line, bang, 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 bang. Right, and it's not just a matter of it hitting the 5 minute orange line. Look for these little pullback candles, because they give you the perfect entry point. Okay, the perfect entry price. All right, guys. So I expect, you know, some of those people that are still struggling, I expect if you follow this, I expect next week to see some good results from you. In particular, people like CM and TK and you know, anybody else that's really struggling. Just, you know, put your head down and really focus on the one thing. And if you can master this, guys, you've cracked it. You've cracked it, honestly. Anyway, that's gotta be the longest video I've done, I think. Well, it's going to take a while to convert and then get it off to MT, so you should have it Monday. It all depends on if MT's away or not. Okay, guys. So I can't think of anything else. I think that will, you know, that will do. Yeah, we'll just go over the change in direction again. Again, you have the number 4s up here, guys. If you're not sure it's changing direction, don't take that trade down there. Right? Don't take that trade there. Imagine if you you'd seen this here and you're thinking, oh, it's going up now, I'm going to change, it's changing direction, I'm going to go up, and let's say you go in here and then that happened against you. You know, let the market make its mind up. If it's going down like that, let it go down first and then wait for the pullback and then, you know, get in. That's changing direction. You don't have to dive in straight away. Okay, guys, so yeah, that'll have to do you, and I'll see you on Monday.